Hello everyone, welcome back in our design pattern series. Today we will see abstract factory design pattern. This design pattern also lies in creational design pattern category. Let me share with you a graphical representation of factory design pattern first, and then we will see a practical example of it. So for abstract factory, first of all what we need is factory design pattern. So here I am using two factory design patterns, chicken pizza factory and a veggie pizza factory. Okay, these all the factories which we use in our abstract factory design pattern, we must have these all factories of one category. Here our category is pizza, but we are using two pizza factories. One is chicken pizza factory and second is veggie pizza factory. And on top of these factories we are implementing abstract pizza factory, which is basically used to select our particular pizza factory. And then after the selection of particular factory, we instantiate an object which is passed by our params. Now let me explain it by an example that our abstract factory design pattern select chicken factory. So the basic purpose of abstract design factory is to abstract one group from multiple similar groups. Like here abstract pizza factory abstracting chicken pizza factory on the basis of the params. Then we instantiate one of the chicken pizza like barbecue fajita or dancing fajita. Now let's implement it in our practical example. Now let's create our base class first, which is iPizza. We will implement our iPizza base class by using interface, because we are using it only for defining the layout. We are not storing any data in our base class, so we are taking it interface type. Now I need to implement all these classes by using this iPizza base class. Now after creation of our these 6 classes, next I need to create our factory types. So let's create it. For the sake of simplicity, I'm going to create all our factories like abstract factory and other factory types in our same file. So I'm creating these two factories in fast mode. If you have any confusion, you can see my previous lecture, which is specifically on factory design pattern. Here iPizza factory is a base class in which we have a create method, which implemented in both chicken pizza factory and veggie pizza factory. So these are our two factories, and after creation of these two factories we need to implement our abstract factory, which will be our generic factory. In this abstract factory we will have a create function of type iPizza factory. In this I'm going to return boolean value cause here we have only two factories, like one is chicken and second is veggie. For chicken we will return true and for veggie we will return false. We can also pass nm in it, but if we have more than two factories. So this abstract factory will create a specific factory for us. Now let's go to our main class. And in this main class, by the abstract factory we will create our specific factory, and after creation of factory we will instantiate one of its object. Abstract pizza factory dot create factory. Now in this I'm going to pass true, which means it will create our chicken pizza factory. Then we will create our specific pizza, like here I'm creating fajita. In this same way we can create our veggie pizza factory by passing false in its frames. Now we will print these both pizzas. Now let's run this application. So it's created two objects like chicken fajita and supreme veggie. So this is the way abstract factory design pattern works. Now we abstract all our factories and we creating specific factory first and then they're instantiating a particular object in it. Hope you understand it. If you have any question or query, you can ask in comments. Stay connected and stay tuned for next design patterns.